Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today I did a easy purple eyeshadow makeup tutorial plus glitter. So if you want to know how I did this, please keep watching. So first thing I always do is applying primer, and I'm using Rimmel London. Then next I'm taking this shades right here, Emperor from BH Cosmetics, and then I am going to apply this right in my outer corner and inner corner of my eye, and then blend it out. And for my brush, I'm using my Bdellium tools. So this is going to be my transition shades. Alright guys, so I decided to take the sticky tape because I want to have a sharp effect, if you will. Then next I'm taking this shades right here, Hazel from Tarte Cosmetics, and then I'm just going to apply this right onto my inner and outer corner of my lid. I'm just keep blending the eyeshadow because I want to make sure that there's no harsh line. Then next I'm taking this pressed glitter from Beauty Glaze, and then I'm just using my finger and I'm just applying this right into my eyelid. So now it's time for the eyeliner, and I'm using the W7 liquid liner. For my mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Then next I'm taking this colored liquid liner from Next, and then I'm just going to apply this in the middle of my eyelid. So guys, take note, there's no rules in makeup, so you can do whatever look you would like, guys. By the way guys, I applied a black liner on my upper waterline and in my lower waterline, guys, off of the comb, just so you know. Then next I'm applying false lashes, and I got this from Shane. And here's the final look, guys. I hope this video find helpful to you, and if you have some questions, please comment down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.